Good morning, Mukul. So starting the revision for first conic section revision. In that conic section, first I am starting with circle. Shall we start with it? Now look here. First question I am going to start for circle. Yes. Circle all the contents. Paja, good morning, madam. So circle all the things, already formulas and everything is with you. Okay. Circle all important points are with you. So I am starting for conic section revision. Elevation, good morning. Now for the basics circle content, directly I am started asking questions from all of you. So get ready for the questions, Paja. The first question is, if the center of the circle value given is center given to you is 0, comma minus 2 and radius is given as, start solving the questions please, and radius is given as 2. Then equation of circle. Now start solving the equation of circle. Directly from equation of circle. So when you are writing this, what is the equation of the circle? Then what is the standard equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So in this you have to substitute and get the value. Come on, start solving the question please. So the standard equation of circle is this. Based on this, come on, start solving the question. The first part is this. Now you have to start solving. Go for it. Try this question out. Try this question out. पायोजा इक्वेशंस को डाल करके मुझे एक फोटो स्क्रीनशॉट ले करके मुझे भेजो. क्वेश्चंस का आंसर्स का स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो मुझे. एक फोटो खींचना है और मैं अब मेरे पर्सनल अपने पर्सनल इससे मुझे भेजो. सो व्हाट विल बी द इक्वेशन हियर? 0 will be there. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 square. So it will become x square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Raya equation is this equation came. Siddharth, good morning, beta. Conic section division started, Siddharth. Now I am giving you, this is the first preliminary questions, equations and everything about circle you people are knowing. What you have to do is immediately you have to take the screenshot of what answers you are writing and send in the group or personally send me as what others are doing. So now this is the first question, center value given, radius given. All these are questions asked in your school examinations. That questions only I am attending, and some of the questions is from NCRT and other parts. Okay. So now the question is, first question I am asking MCQ pattern question. Start answering the question. The radius of the circle represented by the equation. The radius of the circle represented by the equation, check it out. What is the equation? The radius of the circle represented by the equation 3x square plus 3y square plus lambda xy plus 9x plus lambda minus 6y plus 3 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. Your options are 3 by 2 units. I am not writing units. After that you will just say 3 by 2 units. Root under 70 by 2 units. Okay. Third units now right. Third is 2 by 3. Third is 2 by 3 units. And fourth is, come on, start solving none of this. And your time starts now. None of this. Let's see how fast you are doing, then I'll teach you the tricks. You need to find the center. Sorry, radius. Try to get the radius. Radius and center of circle. Come on, go for it. Nishika, solve karo. The radius of the circle represented by the equation. How to get the radius of the circle? So this is the equation of the circle they have given. Come on, go for it. If you can't do it, I am going to solve this question. You see here, this question is not tough, this question is tricky. See, whenever any equation of circle you will see, the most important point you have to hit is, if accidentally also they give you like this type of questions, how to come out of it. The equation of circle will never be having xy coefficient. You always remember the equation of the circle is always written like x minus h whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to r square. In this, there will be never the coefficient of xy. So xy will never be in the xy will never be in the section. So when x and y, Payojay, did you send the answer? Super, very good, Payojay. Answer is absolutely correct, beta. Okay, can we solve? So now look at, so whenever you see this equation, in this equation, did you notice one thing? Very carefully, please check this one out. This section does never exist according to the standard equation of circle. The standard equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus e whole square is equal to r square. And this is equation, bare equation. So without wasting time, what we are going to do is the coefficient of xy with lambda will become equal to 0 because in standard equation of circle xy is coming as 0. Understood? So what is the value of lambda? Because the value of lambda is 0. So once the value of lambda is coming as 0 means not shortest. So here it will become 3x square plus 3y square plus 9x. Now lambda value is 0 means minus 6y plus 3 equal to 0. Immediately coefficient also should not be there. Yes, so I am solving this. So you take 3 common. So it will become x square plus y square plus 3x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Now look here, very carefully, that's what you have to check some of the questions. See, look here, accidentally also, the coefficient part, you check the coefficient of xy is written. And xy in circle equation, how xy will come? If you will solve this one, xy will never get. Okay, xy. So xy in pair of equations, it will not come. So since xy in pair of equations will not come, Nishika solve for jaldi beta. So 3 will not be equal to 0. So parenthesis में क्या लिख पाएगी? X square plus y square plus 3x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 beta. Take x square plus 3x together. Okay. X square plus 3x and here इन इसको y square minus 2y. ठीक है? Y square minus 2y. Standard equation में convert करने का कोशिश करो. Equal to minus 1. So radius will automatically come. Radius will automatically come. Lambda will become 0 now. See, look here. Coefficient. So lambda will become 0 here also. Value of lambda came 0. How value of lambda came 0? Because xy should not exist. Understood or not? So since xy is equal to 0, because of standard equation of circle, xy is coming as 0. So lambda value came as 0. So since lambda value came as 0, we are substituting lambda value here as 0. So what new equation came? This is the new equation coming. Now this I am converting into standard equation. X square 2 into 3 by 2. I multiplied 2, I divided 2 into x. That means now we have to put 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. You have to do it very immediately in exam. Now y square minus 2y, add 1. So here add 1. So when you are adding 1, already this plus 1 is there. So what we are going to do is plus 1 is equal to 0. So here this section will become x. So minus 3 by 2. So x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 3 by 2 means 9 by 4 is there. That is 3 by 2 whole square. That's it. 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. None of this is there. 3 by 2 whole square. So 3 by 2. So answer will become 1. You check radius is coming as well. This is coming in the standard equation. This becomes our standard equation. That is x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus y minus 1 square is equal to 3 by 2 whole square. So this will become the standard equation is this. So radius is square. So radius is coming as 3 by 2. Option 1 is the correct answer. So now I hope you might have understood that option 1 is coming as first answer. Lambda part I took it equal to 0. I hope you are understanding this one. We'll go for the next question without wasting time because we have to solve some of the tricky questions. Now we are giving you another question, NCERT question based. These questions are coming in MCQs. Get ready. Second question, right down below. See, this is again example questions. ACS and KB, these questions are coming. Nishika, able to solve? Banali, everybody Paja, did you did that question now? Now you are understanding how to solve this question. Now look at it. Find the value of k. Many times they are asking in MCQs the value of unknown variable. Find the value of k. Find k for which the system of equation. You see, they wrote the equation as kx square plus 2k minus 3x 2k minus 3 2k minus 3y square, okay, minus 4x plus 6y minus 1 equal to 0. So what could be the specific value of k for which the equation kx square plus 2k minus 3 y square 2k minus 3y square plus minus 4x plus 6y with the options given is 1. Will you solve this question and use your brain? Let's see, you are using your brain or solving question. Like this question means you need to understand one thing. For this only I started doing MCQs because most of the students are losing marks in MCQs. NCERT questions in ECS, so people will be able to solve. Gokulam also same situation is there. But beta, here now one thing you please understand. There are two equations of circle. First, you need to realize this कि x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of circle. Okay, Nishika, check here. What is the general equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This equation of circle will get converted into standard equation by writing this one. X minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Then h and k will become center of the circle, center, and r is the radius. And many times the radius is also written as r as radius. Many times the radius is written as g square plus f square minus c. So this, if I am going to convert this, it will convert like this. But here we are going to understand how to get the value. According to this equation, this should be 1, correct? And this should be 1. Got it? So here if I am taking this equal to 1, k value is coming as 1. So this will become 2, correct? But if I am taking this value as 1, then k value is coming as 3 by 2. So 1 and 3 by 2 means people will think that okay fine, we will go for 1 as answer. But that is not correct. The moment you will think like that, answer will come wrong. First understand the standard equation of circle says that the coefficient. So there is a terms and condition. Based on that only you have to solve the question. Very carefully listen about the statement about circle. Circle says that xy should be equal to 0. Understood? Means there should be no xy for equation of circle. Second point is coefficient of x square must be equal to coefficient of y square. This is the statement of circle. Understood? So this is exactly going to help you. This is the statement of circle beta. What is the statement of circle? Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficients of y square. And this is Akbar absolutely correct beta. God bless you. So this is the correct answer. What he has given, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. So what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is k. Okay, and what is the coefficient of y square? 2k minus 3. So shall we shift this one this side and this one this side? So k, 2k minus k is equal to 3. So k answer is coming as 3. Many people they are thinking that directly we will do 1 this part and this they have not written. No, that is not correct. That is absolutely wrong. Don't do that. The correct answer is 3. That is 6 is equal to 3. So please, Paja, I hope you people have understood how to attempt these type questions. Now we will go for the next question. Are you all ready? Now one question I am going to give you, because diameter of the circle, equation of circle with the help of diameters also we can be able to form. But one simple question I am giving you, let's see how you people are exactly enjoying the question. Ready, Rishi? The question is, get ready please. If x comma 3 and 3 comma 5 are the extremities. Understood? Extremities of diameter of a circle. Okay, extremities of diameter of a circle with center. You are coming to school, you inform me message, then I'll decide. Then the value of x and y. Okay, if you people are not coming means I will start statistics and probability revision. If you are going, then I can do it. If you are not going, means I am not going. That is totally your wish. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 8, y is equal to 2, and none of this. Now this is a good question. Come on children, you start solving on your own. I am also confused because most of the students are telling not to go school. They are telling today you give revision, you have only 2 days left. In school full day will get spoiled. Here we will take revision also. But most said to come only now. I'm totally confused what to do. So only I'm not giving any statement. I'll discuss with ma'am one time. After that only I'll take a final decision. Okay, fine. Right now I'm teaching 11. After that only I'll discuss. So now look here. So extremities of a diameter. What is the meaning of extremities of a diameter? Option A, very good. So now what is the meaning of extremities of diameter? Extremities of diameter is, this is the diameter, the longest part of the circle. Center value given is 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5, and extremities given as x comma 3 and 3 comma 5. That's it. See, whenever we are drawing a circle, this is A and this is B and this is center. We know that OA is equal to OB, that is radii of circle. Radii of circle, if it is means this will become the midpoint. The center is the midpoint. Center is the midpoint. In shortcut I am writing center is the midpoint. So once center is becoming the midpoint, then 2 will be equal to x plus 3 by 2. So here it will become 4 minus 3 is equal to x. X is equal to 1. Check option x is equal to 1 is the only first option. Why to go for y? I hope everybody understood. So y to go for y, directly answer is coming. If you want to check for y is equal to 3 plus 5 by 2. So y value is coming as 4. So that is 1 and 4. I hope everybody understood how to solve this. Nishika, check this one out beta. How to solve this question. Shall we go for the next question, please? Is it done? Today's English exam. Nice. So now look here. Shall we go for the next one? Get ready. Huh? Huh? So x value I took out. Now center value x is equal to center 2 is equal to x plus 3 by 2. Like that we have solved. Check once. X is equal to 3 by 2. Like that only solve now. This plus this divided by 2 is equal to 2. That's the values. Okay. So directly solve. I'm going to give another question, please. Did you got it? Midpoint formula you know now. Then y value is coming as 4. Check. If somebody will give you this question, let's see how you are going to handle this question. If g square plus f square minus c is less than 0, z square plus f square minus c is less than 0, then circle is real and equal, imaginary, absolute. What is the correct answer for this question? G square plus f square minus c is strictly less than 0. Raju, try to solve this question. What is the answer for this? G square plus f square c. Akbar is telling answer is coming as okay. So two people have given the answer imaginary. Yes, beta. That's the absolute correct answer. This is radius. This is representing radius. According to the content, g square plus f square minus c, root is coming as radius. And radius should always be in this situation. Either the radius should be 0. At the time when the radius will be coming as 0, the circle will be a point object. Understood? When radius is coming as 0 means the circle is nothing but a point. Okay. And when the radius will be greater than 0, then the circle will be existing. So these are the two important points. Okay. So absolute correct answer. This you book. Answer is absolutely correct. That is C is the correct answer. Shall we go for the next question? Now again one little tricky question is there, but I don't think it is a tough question. We'll go for it. Nishika understood beta? So now find the value of p. Equation given to you is x square plus y square, p, k, like that value finding questions are very normal. X square plus y square minus 2px plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle and radius is given as 5 units. So radius is given as 5 units. Okay, so radius is given as 5 units. Yes, imaginary. Imaginary means Pyoja circle does not exist. Okay, see, 1 minute beta, I'll explain her. So whenever you will draw a circle, this is radius. Okay, so radius value 0, say if radius value is 0, that means the circle is a dot. But if radius is greater than 0, then only the beta circle real hoga. But here they have given, and that part in the question, what they have given, g square plus f square minus c less than 0. Means radius value less than 0. Radius negative means circle is imaginary. Understood. Radius negative means circle is imaginary. Think one time with that. Now look here. This is given. You have to find B. Now start solving the question. If this value is given, you have to find B. A value is coming as 3. B value as minus 3. C value they are telling both A and B. And D none of this. So let's see what is the value coming. Try this question, Vika. X square plus y square minus 2px plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So x square minus 2px, we will add p square, subtract p square, y square plus 4y, we will add 4, subtract 4 minus 12, you keep as it is. So here it will become x minus p whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 12. Now this p square to that shift because here check very nicely. Minus 4, this p square will go that side, this 4 will come together and it will become x plus 2 whole square. This will be taken together, so that shift section will be coming as p square and here it is coming as minus 16. So this part will come as plus 16. Okay. So this is coming. So standard equation of the circle, let's have a quick checklist. This. So that means this part and this part remain same. So this will be equal to this. So p square plus 16 is equal to radius square. Okay. So p square plus 16, radius square is 5 square. So p square is 25 minus 16. P square is 9. Take root. So modulus of p is equal to 3. So p is coming as plus minus 3. So answer is both A and B. Yes, absolutely correct. Now check this one out. Yes, absolutely correct answer. Yes, it's easy one, correct only. So that's, we did it very simple, but yes, absolutely we need to do like that. Simple part, but I have solved fully so that in case if 2 marks question also coming means we can solve like this. For less than 2 marks means one step is enough. Second step to make it equal to R square. No need to write this section after that. If you are solving for MCQ means don't write all these things. Just first equation you write. After that, the leftover this and this take together and make it equal to R square. That's the only mantra for solving this question. That's nothing is there. Okay. Shall we go for the next question? Ready? Okay, I'm giving you a 2-mark question. So I'm giving you a 2-mark question. Get ready. 2 marks question is nothing, just a simple attempt you have to do for this. Nishika, understood? Okay. Just wonder. You wrote? लिखा तुमने? कैसे किया मैंने? Did you got plus minus 3? So better like this only we can solve. So any questions like this given means we will be able to solve. Find the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle, you have to find equation of circle only for 2 marks. Equation of circle whose center is given. Okay, equation of circle whose center is 3, 4. Okay, and it touches x-axis. That's it. Nothing else is given. It is touching x-axis. It touches x-axis. So what will be the equation of the circle? After that, nothing it is written. Only they wrote that find the equation of the circle whose center is 3, 4 and it is touching x-axis. Is it enough? Is this information enough for solving the equation? The answer is yes. So how we are going to solve? Let's check this one out here. So now look here. This is the circle touching x-axis. Center value given as both positive given is 3, 4. Paracha, start solving it. I hope you will get the answer. Come on. What will be the equation of the circle? Play the equation of the circle. If you have got this value, so A is coming as 3, 4 and B center point is there. So now we will do one work. We will write like this. So x value is coming. This is x. So x value will come as 3. First value. Y value will come as 4. So I hope you got radius. For making the circle equation, we need radius. What is the radius here? Come on, say. What is the radius here? What is the radius here? Radius is coming as 5 over, but why radius will come 5 beta? Directly we can see this section. No? Radius will become 4 beta. You check this or not? ये लेंथ देखो, ये यहाँ पे पैरेलल है ना, तो ये y का वैल्यू है, so y का वैल्यू 4 आ रहा है, तो radius will become 4. Check. Then equation of the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4. अच्छा वो बाद में सॉल्व करके वो दिखा रहा है. Plus radius is coming as this much. After that we solve. So only this thing. So this will become 4 square. This will become the standard equation of circle. Okay, so this will become standard equation of circle. This part is coming as 4. So radius becomes the 4. After this general equation he is solving. Okay, so this one is x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 8y equal to 16. So what will be the equation? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y is equal to 16 minus 9 and minus 4. Like this we will have to form. 4 will go that side because you see 9 and 4. 13, 16 minus 13, so general equation will become x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y. Shift to this side, 13 to minus 3 equal to 0. This will become the general equation of circle. So standard equation and general equation both I have found and I have represented it. Okay. So this part also, but you check it up. This part it is not coming 5. You see, this will become the standard equation. If the circle will be touching y-axis, then whatever will be the center, if center value is given as 2, 3. So this time this distance and this distance remains same. X is 2, y is 3. So radius will become 2 if the circle will touch x-axis. So here it will become x minus 2. Sorry, if the circle will touch y-axis plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to, this is the distance and this distance is taken from x. So it will become 2 square. This is the only logic. Yes, radius is coming as 2. I hope everybody understood. Nishita understood it. So here when you are taking the circle and it is touching both the axes, the center value will always be representing the same value. So here it will become 2, 2 because this distance and this distance has to be same. If the radius is touching, sorry, the circle is touching both x-axis and y-axis together. Nishita, when the circle is touching y-axis, then you have to consider x value. Just simple logic you understand. If the circle is touching x-axis, then take y as radius. That's it. If the circle is touching y-axis, then take x value as radius. If the circle touches both x and y together, that time we can take anyone as radius. Did you understand?
So y square plus 16.
Oh. Yeah. So here it is coming as y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to 16. So this and this will get cancelled. Okay. So here it is coming x square minus 6x minus 8y plus 9. Whenever please change, this will become the equation plus y square add. This is coming as the equation of circle. But what I am teaching you right now, you just listen that if the center equation will be changing, radius value will change how. So this center that changes, this AA should come always. Okay. In WhatsApp, you can discuss with me. WhatsApp number is there, and you can ask in Instagram. Our Instagram account is also there. In YouTube channel also, comment box if you will. What exam? Bless you, because you'll do good. All children are always best. We don't know question paper, but we know people will always do good. Prepare well, write exam nicely. So now look here. Are we ready for the next question? Get ready. The question is, this is a short 2 mark question. Only 2 mark questions. Now I am giving you this question. Get ready. So if the lines, now think properly about this question. 3x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. This is first one. Second one is 6x minus 8y minus 7 equal to 0. Equation 2. Okay. I'm basically going very thorough with CBSE first. Okay, because if CBSE concepts are with you better, then you can be able to do anything. So now these two equations are there. Then tangent, they are the tangents of circle. Okay. Then radius. What is radius? They are tangents of circle, and your time starts now. What is radius? I don't know if your basic concepts are so super, then no, you can write any level examination. I did the same. I got state ranks with that. So it's easy. And that too without any tag of big institution and investing more money. How to deal with this question? This is a very good question. They are tangents, but we know now the tangents touches the circle. So if the lines are the tangents, if these lines are the tangents to a circle, then find the radius of the circle. This is a very short question. Let's see how you people are going to handle this question. Try this question on the time. Think. Jay will ask what type question. Similar type questions I will ask you. Little bit more will be there, but pattern is same. Let's see. One circle is there. One tangent. A circle can have maximum two tangents. We'll draw this tangent. After that, in the question, if the lines are tangents to a circle, then they are the tangents drawn. Okay. So what is the equation given here? The equation given is 3x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. How to come to know that the tangents are parallel? You know, I'll teach you one trick. Remember this. So here, 6x minus 8y minus 7 equal to 0. Now, the tangents can draw anywhere now. Why man has drawn this parallel to this? How she did like that? There is a rule. Always remember that rule. When you were in class 10th, you studied one basic rule. Payojal, listen this rule very carefully. When two lines are parallel, what was the equation? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Correct, no? This is no solution. When two lines are parallel, no solution situation is coming. No solution situation means, that means if first equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, this is equation of line L1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, equation of line L2, then this is exactly case of no solution or lines are parallel. Correct, na? Radius is perpendicular to tangent? No. More than that, easy part I am teaching you, Bioja. You know what, Bioja? Always remember this one. Just now I am just giving explanation for this. One time beta you start, you will able to understand. You see this one first. Beta, two lines are parallel means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Here can we check 3 by 6 equal to minus 4 by minus 8 not equal to 4 by minus 7. This is equal now 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to 4 by minus 7. So this much you are doing means you are able to know that the tangents are parallel. Correct now? But more than this, beta, we can do one more thing. We see here 3x, here it is 6x. Can I take 2 common from here? It will become 3x minus 4y minus 7 by 2 equal to 0. 2 is a non-zero number. So 3x minus 4y minus 7 by 2 equal to 0. Bingo now. You check this one out. 3x minus 4y, 3x minus 4y. Coefficient of x and y, coefficient of x and y is same. So when two lines are parallel now, their coefficient along with sign will become same. This is a jackpot point. Understood? So whenever two lines will be parallel, you will see their x coefficients will always be equal and their y coefficients always be equal. Only their constant will not be equal. Nishika, understood beta? Because you see A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. That's the basic rule. Now, if we came to know that these two lines are parallel by just seeing the equation. Now we crack these two lines are parallel. But after that, what rocket science we are going to use? No rocket science is needed here. Just understand. Draw one line diameter. Done. Diameter means here the shortest distance. So just find the distance between these 2 points, A and B. Then how to get the distance between 2 points? Equation is important here. Distance between two lines. How to get the distance equation? Simple distance equation formula is there, beta. C1 minus C2. Check this one out. Note down what is the coefficient. So distance AB we are going to find. Come on. Check this one out. So C1 minus C2. What is C1 and C2? Check C1 minus C2. Here you need to be very careful. After removing coefficient only you can say these two are there. Otherwise problem will come. Here one thing is very much needed, Nishika. Here now what is given? 6x minus 8y minus 7 as one line equation. 3x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. This is second equation, beta. So once you have taken out 2, after taking out 2, making them equal, then you use this formula. Otherwise it will go wrong. Okay. Now root under coefficient. Coefficient is what? A square plus B square. Understood? Because when two lines will be parallel, AX plus BY plus C1 equal to 0, AX plus BY plus C2 equal to 0. So the equation will become like this. Understood? Then only we can use distance formula. Their distance will become C1 minus C2 by root under A square plus B square. Always remember this, and outside is modulus. Very good, Akbar. You got the point. Now look here, beta. C will become what? C1 is coming as 4. So let's write 4 minus. Here it is coming as minus 7 by 2. If you check here, it is coming as how much, beta? Minus 7 by 2. So minus 7 by 2 by root under 3 square plus 4 square. Nishika, you are understanding or not? See, दोनों लाइन पैरेलल है, ठीक है? तो उसका कोएफिशिएंट्स क्या होना चाहिए? सेम होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट्स वे नॉट सेम. तो क्या किया मैंने? 2 बाहर निकाल दिया. Coefficients now they are same. Now what is varying is constant. What is C1 here, beta? C1 is 4. What is C2 here, Kavita? Minus 7 by 2. Then I used distance formula. Okay. So distance formula is 4 plus 7 by 2 root under 25 beta. So here 9 plus 9 plus 16. So check 9 plus 16 will become 25. So now here 8. Check karo 8 plus 7. How much it is coming? 15 by 2 by 5. Okay. So now it is coming as AB. So root under 5 AB will come how much, beta? 15 by 2 into 1 by 5. It is coming as 3 by 2. Now beta, here is one catch. Yes. So 15 beta, here you see one thing. 50 AB. Diameter is coming as 3 by 2. This is diameter. The total distance coming is diameter. Diameter. Diameter coming is 3 by 2. We have to find radius. And we know that 2 times of radius is equal to diameter. So radius will become 3 by 4. Radius will become 3 by 4 units. So radius will become 3 by 4 units. That's the biggest difference. Yes. So beta, when 3 by 2 is coming as diameter, because we are finding the distance between the total part now. So these are the catches, and here only people are missing. This is the most important point. The little here and there now, we are losing the points. So whenever you will be going with this, clarity is needed. That's what. And you will be able to track out any complications. That's not a very big deal. First is most important, and that is understanding. So once you generated this understanding means, see, I did nothing. I just told you the basics of parallel lines. And once I told the basics of parallel lines, you did on your own, and distance formula. Two concepts are needed. So tangent can touch a circle at any point, but these two tangents were parallel. If you will not think like that by seeing the equations, means you will never solve. You will draw tangent here and there. You will never draw them parallel, and this is the problem the students are having. Nishika understood? Now, with distance formula, here it will become what? 2 4 is 8 plus 7, 5 is 7, 15 by 2 by 2, correct? After solving, the diameter is coming. AB is the total distance. Na? These two are parallel, and AB is the diameter. Understood? So once AP, no problem. But sometimes we are also, I am also, before question, I also did mistake now. Instead of 16, I wrote 4. Maths is like that only. So here it is coming as 3 by 4. But after mistake, we must rectify. So radius is coming as 3 by 4. Diameter is 3 by 2. Total
3 by
distance.
2, yeah, but 2 into 3 by 2.
No 2 into 3 by 2, no. See,
Two are-
diameter is 2 times of radius. So diameter is coming as 3 by 2. So shift this down, Navita. Then only radius will come 3 by 4 units. Payoja, Akbar, everybody understood this part? So this is the question. Let's go for the next question, please. Quickly, we'll go for next question. Again, only 2 mark question I am giving you. Okay, get ready? Ready, everyone? So now look here. This is the part and we can solve. Phonic sections, I'll explain you very nicely. One more time, concepts of phonic sections, understand first. So find the equation of a circle which passes through. This is a very easy question. Now look here. This will make things little difficult. Find the equation of a circle which passes through. Which passes through. You have to form equation of circle and which is having a contact point 3, 6 which passes through which passes through 3, 6 and touching both the axes and touches both the axes and touches both the axes. Both the axes it is touching with. See, both the axes it is touching means just now we discussed about it now. Let's see how you people are going to frame it. Go for it. Find the equation of the circle which passes through 3, 6. So 3, 6 is the contact point of the circle. Let's see you are able to solve this question or not. Only 2-mark questions. Try for it. Don't leave these type of questions. Come on, go for it. Try this. First bit I told you one basic rule. When the equation of the circle which passes through both the axes. So if I am going to draw like this, so that means this touches both the axes. Now this circle is touching both the axes. Okay, so this is the center. So this is A, then this is A. That means the circle which is touching both the axes will have common x and y value. So center will become A, A for that circle. Then equation of the circle will become x minus A whole square plus y minus a whole square equal to a square. In that situation, when the circle is touching both the axis. पायोजन बहुत अच्छे से बनाओ बेटा. Circle touching both the axis. This is the situation coming बेटा. So here say this is touching both the axis. Then answer coming beta. What is the answer coming? Equation of circle. So now look here. When this we will solve, we will first understand equation. So let the radius becomes a here. Correct? We don't know now. So equation is coming like this. But this is the point. What is the contact point? What is the point which is present on circle? Let's the point coming on circle means the arbitrary point on circle is 3, 6. And beta, this will satisfy the equation of circle. Any arbitrary point on circle will satisfy the equation of circle. So what it will become? X minus. See here, instead of x, we will substitute 3. So it will become 3 minus a whole square plus 6 minus a whole square equal to a square. So 9 plus a square minus 6a plus 36 plus a square minus 12a is equal to a square. So a square will get cancelled. A square minus 16 minus 6 and minus 12. How much it will become? Minus 18a. And then here it is coming as 9, 36. How much it is coming to? 45 can I write? So 45 is how much it is coming? 45 is 3, 15, done. Minus 15a minus 3a plus 45 equal to 0. A minus 15 minus 3, a minus 15 equal to a. So a can be a minus 3 and a minus 15 equal to 0. So what is the value of a we are expecting? The value of a is coming as 3 and 15. That means here there will be two equations, absolutely. So there will not be one equation of circle, there will be two equations of circle. Nishika understood? Draw it safely, understand the basics what the question is asking, and none of the examination is tough. All the examination, in fact in JEE, when you are solving a question, it's not like you have to attempt all the questions. You have to attempt those questions which you are very known about, and it is always seen that that person who has done only few limited questions and all the questions were correct, they cracked and came. Rather than that, the person who just randomly corrected everything. More information is always dangerous, more knowledge. Be a very concentric knowledge means result is always coming. So first time when we will take a is equal to 3. What will be the equation of circle? This square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square. This is first equation. Second equation is a minus x minus 15 whole square plus y minus 15 whole square equal to 15 square. So these are the two equations of circle, and these equations were based on a value. Understood? These equations were based on what value beta? These equations were based on a value. So I just targeted some of the, yes, absolutely correct. So I just targeted some of the questions and we solved some of the questions. So like this only circle equations standard format we can solve. So now shall we go for next question please? So now I'm just targeting a question. Sometimes in CBSE they are asking prove that, show that questions also. Okay. Prove that, show that questions. If we are ready means now let's see, one simple question is there. They are giving a prove that question. Okay, Payajan, get ready, Akbar, get ready, Nishika, all others, Siddharth, please get ready and understand this question. Find the equation of the circle whose center is at point. Now this question I am giving you. Better. If the line, this you find out. If the line Lx plus My equal to 1 is a tangent to the circle, is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Okay, then show that the point L comma M does not lie on circle. Come on, go for it. A question worth solving. Will you be able to solve? Anishi? Beta, first I will tell you the formula of perpendicular distance. So if this is a center having value a comma b point, and this equation is a comma b point, any other value will take c comma d, and this is the circle and this is the equation ax plus by plus c, because always the radius is perpendicular to tangent, then distance will become what? This value you substitute here instead of x, it will become CA plus BD plus this value C by root under A square plus B square. This is the formula. Okay, you take it as CD or E. That is distance formula. Let's check it is going to be radius or not. Now look at it. This is the circle and center. First we will see equation of circle. What is equation of circle here? Equation of circle is x square plus a square this. So it will become x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square. If we are comparing it with standard equation of circle, x minus h whole square, y minus a whole square is equal to a square. So center part is coming as 0, 0. Center is coming as 0, 0 and radius is coming as a. Okay. So now, center coming as 0, 0. Radius according to equation r is equal to a radius, and the point, the tangent which is touching is Lx plus My minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation. So shall we use the distance formula? So if you are using the distance formula, according to distance formula, this is the distance. Okay, O to E. So OA is nothing but radius, because radius and tangent and this is perpendicular. So shortest distance, so OA is equal to, this part will become L into 0, because x value will become 0 there according to that formula, plus m into 0 minus 1 by root under L square plus m square modulus. OA is nothing but radius is a, so it is coming as minus 1 by root under L square plus m square. Till here we got? See, till here we got. Now after this, see, after this, A will be, this part A will be equal to 1 by root under L square plus m square. That, so see how carefully we can say this point. If we square it, squaring both sides, this is coming as 1 by root under 1 by L square plus m square. Done. So A square is coming as L square plus m square. So how can this become the center? How can this become the point, contact point? Here they are telling that L comma M is one of the point on this line. And if any case, distance formula means this will become A. So this will never be joining this equation. Because see, if you find this point on circle, okay, now we got this equation. We got this equation as 1. According to our statement, if this is a point on a circle, then what is the distance equation beta? If this is a point, L comma N is a point on a circle, then distance would become L square plus M square equal to A square. But by equation 1, A square is equal to 1 by L square plus M square. So this is not on circle. That's the point. I hope you might have understood. So this is the way to find and solve the question. I did nothing. I just used distance formula. Never I was out of my track. I just told the circle center is at origin. Nishika understood. If the circle center is at origin, then distance formula used. What is the distance formula? The distance formula is this one. One more time if you need, I will explain this one. Prior to समझ में आया बेटा कैसे बनाना है इसको? Rishika understood how to go for these type questions? Huh? Huh? Okay. Distance formula बेटा. What is distance formula? One time you check. लिख लो उसको. पहले बनाओ एक बार फिर और समझा दो. Understood now? But beta, a little bit confusion will be there. I know that a little bit confusion will be there in these type of questions, but when you will be clearly understanding, I did nothing. I used distance formula. जैसे distance formula use किया, center का value put किया, ये equation आया. तो a square is equal to ये आया. Squaring both side किया, squaring both side. So it is coming a square is equal to 1 by L square plus M square. But they told to show that if this is a point on circumference. So now we got an equation this one now. We got an equation this one, correct Nanishika? After using distance formula, we are getting a square is equal to 1 by L square plus M square. Now they are telling us to check that if this is a point on circle. So L comma M is a point on circle. This if we satisfy the equation of circle, let's have a distance formula. Understand not? So what is the distance formula? Using distance formula, OB is equal to what we will write? L square plus M square. OB is equal to A square is equal to L square plus M square. This is equation 1. So equation 1 contradicts equation 2. Equation 1 contradicts equation 2. Hence, L comma M is not on circle. Understood? Yes, Peter. I am also going. I hope everybody understood how to solve these type questions. Biology understood, Peter? Nishika? Understood, no? Okay, keeping the class till here. Bye, Peter.